Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best carpet cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BISSELL JetScrub Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner. The BISSELL JetScrub 25,299 Upright Pet Carpet Cleaner remains our top pick for a carpet cleaner, hands down, after multiple rounds of testing in the lab. It has multiple cleaning modes, a pre-treatment feature, and an LED light on the floor head. It's portable enough that you'll actually use it in your home to suction up stains, dirt, and more. Initially, our testers gave the upright appliance a perfect score for ease of assembly, since it was ready to go from the moment they opened the box. After retesting, our tester assigned it a 4-star rating for setup time, because the instructions were not completely insightful, but the parts still snapped together without issue. This cleaner came with a storage mat and collapsible handle for stowing it away in a small closet when not in use. It was also incredibly easy to fill the water tank and add solution. There were lines indicating how much each to add. In addition to the simple and straightforward setup, the cleaning modes were clearly labeled on the machine. There's an express clean setting for surface cleaning and a deep clean setting for stains, as well as a clean shot feature to pre-treat tough stains. In our testing, we found that all modes dried in under an hour. A floor head LED light helps illuminate any stains that might be hard to see, and the machine self-propels so you don't have to put in a ton of elbow grease to have clean carpets. This feature earned it a 4-star rating in ease of use and a perfect 5-star rating in portability, especially when compared with bulkier machines that require a full-body effort to push forward. This one quickly turned and maneuvered almost on its own, which really impressed our tester. I loved that this carpet cleaner pulled itself toward the stains so it was easy to clean a large area. They added that, compared to the other carpet cleaners we tested, this one is small and by far the easiest to use. The unit sucked up the fresh coffee stain in 1 back and forth swipe, and a set in orange juice stain in 2 back and forth swipes. Our tester did note that the carpet was still damp 2 hours after we ran the deep clean function, so you'll want to keep pets and children off of any spots you clean for at least a few hours. The only thing it didn't pick up was the synthetic hair that was mixed in with the wet potting soil, but you could easily vacuum that up before or after your clean. Emptying the dirty water was easy and mess-free. An included brush helps clean the tank, but we found we didn't need to use it. There are no hoses or other special attachments, so the cleaner isn't the most versatile, but it works so well with the 2 available settings and has a small floor head for concentrated cleaning. Not much is left to be desired. It's also relatively quiet, similar to an average vacuum, and lighter than other models we tested. All in all, this carpet cleaner is highly effective, easy to use, and more portable than similar machines, so it's well deserving of our best overall spot and a place in your cleaning closet. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner is designed to loosen and suck up pet hair from your carpets as well as attack tough stains. For the lower price, we believe it's a great value. Pet parents will appreciate the Power Spin Pet antimicrobial brush roll that drives bristles into the fibers of carpets and rugs to loosen and collect hair. Cleaning this brush roll can be a challenge, though Hoover includes a cleaning tool to assist with the dirty job. We tested this pick at home and in the lab. In product testing at the lab, this carpet cleaner sucked up the fresh coffee stain in only 1 forward pass, but it required more effort for set-in stains. It dragged the potting soil, so we recommend thoroughly vacuuming up any noticeable 3D stains beforehand. Our tester loved that this machine was lightweight and easy to maneuver but wished it came with attachments to help tackle tougher stains. The Hoover PowerDash doesn't come with a ton of bells and whistles, but we were impressed with the features nonetheless, said our lab tester. It boasts 2 separate tanks, one for the clean water, and the other for the dirty water it sucks back up out of the carpet. The clean water tank only holds a half gallon, so the liquid didn't weigh the machine down as it would with a larger tank. For the affordable price, this is ultimately an excellent pick for pet owners or those who need to deep clean small spaces. When cleaning large rooms or area rugs, the half-gallon water tank requires more frequent pauses to stop, empty, and refill. However, in exchange for a smaller capacity, the machine is more compact and easier to store than many other carpet cleaners. At number 3, we have the BISSELL Big Green Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. The BISSELL Big Green Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner is a spin-off of the manufacturer's commercial Big Green cleaning machine that's specifically designed to handle pet stains, including odors from staining. This machine was pretty much ready to go, out of the box, and only required a bit of attaching. Our tester said that it wasn't too difficult to push around and felt easy enough to use. After just 3 passes of wet and then dry cleaning, the fresh coffee stain was completely removed, and the red wine, chocolate, and dirt stains were nearly gone. With 3 more passes of wet and dry cleaning, the wine stain was also gone. To remove the last 2 stains, our tester used the wet-dry attachment. While they did vacuum any excess dirt and hair first with a handheld vacuum, this performance was still impressive. The machine wasn't super loud by any means, and our tester could hear when someone was trying to speak to her while using it. Although our tester said she did not find this machine difficult to maneuver, it weighed over 60 pounds when the tank was full, so it may be too heavy for some users. This machine also does not have any onboard storage for the attachments, which we found slightly frustrating. However, the water tank and hose are fairly easy to clean and dump, which earned this machine a perfect 5-star rating for ease of use. While it's certainly not built for everyday messes, if you find yourself deep cleaning your carpets more than twice a year, we recommend investing in this BISSELL model. At number 2, we have the BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. The BISSELL Little Green rose to fame on TikTok, as users filmed themselves cleaning impossible-looking stains on carpet, couches, and chairs while posting with the tag #LittleGreenMachine. When we brought the portable carpet cleaner into the lab, on multiple occasions, we had low expectations that it would live up to the hype. We were wrong. The BISSELL Little Green Carpet Cleaner went viral for a reason, says our lab tester. It lifts even the toughest of stains and isn't difficult to operate. Cleaning and maintenance are easy, and the turtle shell design is quite adorable. This machine impressed our tester as it cleaned perfect 3-inch paths through each stain. You could see the little green sucking up the fresh coffee spill, and with a little bit of elbow grease, it cleaned the set in stains of orange juice, ketchup, and potting soil with no pre-treatment and only a faint stain left behind. As a result, we think it works best on fresh stains, but it still worked well enough on set-in stains to score a 4.5-star rating for effectiveness. The beloved BISSELL machine took our tester around 8 minutes to set up. The directions were a little unclear, but once they followed the pictures, assembly made more sense, and the large tank was easy to fill up. Just make sure you take note of which tank is for clean water versus dirty water. Our tester also noted that the little green might feel a little cumbersome if you're carrying it around your home, but if it's sitting on the floor while you use the hose and attachment, it's easy, and, admittedly, a little fun, to use. So, add this machine to the list of TikTok hacks worth trying and carpet cleaners worth buying. And finally at number 1, we have the Rug Dr. Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. Pet owners know that fur babies come with their own set of messes, which is why we recommend the Rug Dr. Pet Portable Spot Cleaner for any pet waste-related, deep cleaning needs. If you purchase this cleaner through Rug Doctor's website, an 8-ounce bottle of their Pure Power Pet Stain and Odor Cleaning Solution is included, but you can also purchase it separately. This small but mighty machine was ready to go out of the box and was also pretty intuitive to use. Our tester's favorite feature on this cleaner is the retractable handle, which makes rolling this machine very easy between spots and for storage. The coffee stain was no match against this machine's suction power and was gone after just 1 pass. The red wine, chocolate, and dirt stains were almost completely removed after 1 pass. After pre-treating the other 3 stains again and going over them 2 more times, all were faded to faint shadows. Our tester said she was impressed by how quickly this cleaner removed the stains, and she was also surprised that she did not have to refill the tank, which was still half full after 3 passes on each stain. Our tester's main gripe with this machine is the design of its clean water tank. The top of the tank is curved, which makes filling it from the bottom incredibly tricky, if you don't have an extra set of hands. Although this machine is incredibly effective and lightweight, our tester said she was still surprised at its price point, given some of the design features. The red tabs that hold the cord in place felt cheap, and she was definitely disappointed by the clean water tank design. Despite the sticker shock, we recommend this mighty carpet cleaner for its effectiveness and innovative rolling design.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.